Hello there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fantastic topic to discuss that's sure to transform your office space into a more productive and stylish environment. We're diving into the world of office curtains, exploring their features, benefits, types, and installation, and even comparing them to other options. So, if you're ready to give your workspace a remarkable makeover, let's get started. Let's kick things off by looking at the features and benefits of office curtains. These versatile additions do more than just block out sunlight. They provide privacy, control glare, and enhance the aesthetic appeal of your workspace. Some key benefits include light control. With adjustable office curtains, you can easily control the amount of natural light entering your office, creating a comfortable and conducive work environment. Privacy. Maintain confidentiality during meetings and discussions by simply drawing the curtains closed. Energy efficiency. Office curtains also contribute to energy savings by insulating your office space, helping to regulate indoor temperatures. Noise reduction. Reduce external noise distractions, creating a quieter and more focused work atmosphere. Aesthetic enhancement. Office curtains come in various colors, patterns, and textures, allowing you to personalize your workspace and make a lasting impression on clients and employees. Now that we understand the benefits, let's explore the different types of office curtains available. Vertical blinds, ideal for large windows or glass partitions. Vertical blinds offer a modern and sleek appearance. Roller shades. Roller shades provide a clean and minimalistic look. They're available in various opacity levels, allowing you to choose the right balance between privacy and light. Curtains with sheers. Combining traditional curtains with sheer fabrics adds elegance to your office. Sheers maintain privacy while still allowing soft, diffused light to enter. Now, let's talk about installing office curtains and how they compare to other options, like blinds and shades. Installation. Installing office curtains is a straightforward process. Measure your windows, choose the right curtain type, and install the curtain rod or track. Many curtains come with easy-to-follow installation guides. Comparison with other options. While blinds and shades offer their own advantages, curtains bring a touch of sophistication and warmth that complements various office designs. Lastly, let's go over some compelling reasons why you should seriously consider adding office curtains to your workspace. Elevated aesthetics. Office curtains can transform a plain office into a stylish, professional environment that leaves a lasting impression on clients and employees. Enhance productivity. By controlling light and reducing distractions, office curtains create an environment conducive to focus and productivity. Flexibility. Adjustable curtains offer the flexibility to adapt to changing lighting needs throughout the day. Privacy and confidentiality. Maintain confidentiality during important meetings and discussions, ensuring sensitive information stays within the right circles. Energy savings. Insulating curtains help regulate indoor temperatures, leading to potential energy savings over time. And there you have it. Viewers, a comprehensive guide to office curtains. Remember, the right curtains not only improve the functionality of your workspace, but also contribute to the overall aesthetics. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep your workspace stylish and productive.